everyone. Suppose a die is rolled. Give a sample space for this experiment. Then find the probability of rolling a prime number, a perfect square, factor of 60, and a negative number. So let's write down the sample space. The sample space when you roll a die is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a total of 6. So the probability of rolling a prime, and I'll just put P. Let's make it little p so they're not the same. I'll put prime. Is the total prime divided by your total set. So that's 6 in the set. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, and 5 by definition. So we have 3 divided by 6, and that is 1/2. Okay, the probability of a perfect square. Now, perfect square is numbers that you can take the square root of. So that would be 1 and 4. You take the square root of 1 and you get 1. Take the square root of 4 and you get 2. The others aren't perfect squares. So that's going to be out of 6, 2 out of 6, which equals 1/3. Now a factor of 60. So the probability of factor, I'll just put factor for a factor of 60. That's this one. All right. So what numbers of these divide 60? So out of 6, how many do that? Well, all of these divide 60. 4 divides 60 by 15. 5 goes into 60 12 times. And 6 goes into 60 10 times. So that's all of them. So all of them divide. So the probability is 1. And then for probability of a negative number, there is no negative numbers. So the probability of a negative number is going to be 0 divided by 6, which is 0. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
I think you want to come over, get her to the grapevine.